everyone, welcome back. This is yet another December video and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do this really easy orange and pink liner look. It's very fresh, it's very easy to do, especially if you already have my defined liners in Deep Funk and Dessert. And thank you so much for suggesting this look and I hope you guys enjoy this. Before we get started though, please don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. A lot of you suggested that I should do the looks a little more closed up, so it really helps you look at what I'm doing, so I hope this helps. You can take any brown eyeshadow of your choice. I'm taking this one from the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette and I'm going to use that to kind of just define the crease in there, just like so. My camera is on autofocus mode, so I'm really sorry if it like kind of keeps going in and out of focus, but I'll try my best to kind of keep it steady. The reason why I named my liners Define was basically you use lines to define, you know, and we added / to the name because I really wanted to break definitions with my product. Like I don't want you to use makeup just a certain way, and it can be used in a lot of different ways, in whatever way you like it to be. I'm actually going to share some of my favorite looks this week using my Define liners right here, and how amazing are these looks. Like I am blown away each time. Please go follow these people. I think they're doing such good job. I'm going to take this metallic shade right here and apply it all over my eyelid. You don't have to do this. I'm just adding a nice pop of shimmer into the eyelid. Okay, so for the liner, I'm going to start with my pink first. This is Dessert. So I've just wet the brush and I'm just going to wet the pigment right here. And now I'm just going to draw a winged eyeliner. I've already gone ahead and placed a wing right here. So just going to start right here. And then I'm just going to pull it in like this. And I'm not taking it all the way in. We'll add more color to it after we add the orange. For orange, I'm going to use my favorite Defunk. Defunk is a bright, vibrant orange. I'm going to use it on the inner corner. While it's still wet, you can just use a little bit of water and mix the two colors just so that it blends. We're almost done here. I'm just going to apply mascara. This one is from the Face Shop and you can actually get it in my kit, You Do You. I'm so excited about that kit. I hope you guys have gotten yours. I actually really like this mascara. It's waterproof, so it's very long lasting, has a very natural finish. And I'm going to apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. See how nice and natural it looks? I also like to take it onto my eyebrows. So that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This was short, this was quick, and I will see you again really soon. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye!